In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of checkout minimum on Temu. So the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your Temu account. And then before we do this, I must give you some info because this isn't always possible. Now, this method will not work in all countries and with all accounts. So you must note that in case that doesn't work for you, unfortunately, it looks like it just won't be possible. Now, the amount of orders you have placed in the past does matter as well. And good customers and new customers will usually have more success than just occasional customers, or in case you are just like a new user. Okay, so this is the things that you have to acknowledge before we are doing this. Now, once you do this, first you want to go ahead and go to the support up here, hover over that, and click on chat with Temu. Once you do this, here you're going to have to, of course, you're going to get a chat, and then what you're going to have to do over here, when they welcome you, you want to essentially type in this very thing, which is going to be remove the minimum order amount. Now, you want to press enter, so this is going to get displayed over here, and it's going to basically send this in, and over here it says dear customer, and then they will just keep on explaining something, and of course they will just tell you why they're doing this. What you have to do here is you want to type in, I still want to remove the minimum order amount. There we go. So you just want to basically type that in. So you want to keep persistent, and then you want to paste it again. And once this happens, if you're lucky enough, and if you're in an eligible country, and of course, in case your account is eligible for this, then you should be able to get the ability to see a message over here, which will basically ask you to confirm whether you want to remove the shipping minimum. And then, of course, if you click on yes, then this will remove the shipping limit. Okay, over here it says, if you can't meet the current minimum, for me, as you can see, it's currently not working. I'm going to type in, I'd still like to remove it. So sometimes you just have to keep persistent. And eventually, if this doesn't work, what you're going to end up to, there we go, as you can see over here, it says that by checking, your account has not yet successfully placed any orders on Temu. So in case you haven't done that, you won't be able to. And in case you are not able to get this, at all, so in case you are not able to remove it, what you will get though is like a 20% off coupon if you order for 20 euros or so. So they'll at least give you a coupon for your persistency, and of course they will understand that you want to actually remove that, but unfortunately they won't be able to do it. They will just give you a coupon, and that's essentially all. So yeah, hopefully in your country and on your account you'll be able to remove this. I do not know which accounts or which countries qualify because this is kind of random. Some people have been reporting that it works like 5 times and then you get the coupon and you can do it again. Some people haven't been able to get it at all. I've been able to get it on my original account, but on this account for tutorial, unfortunately, as you can see, I cannot get it. So yeah, best of luck to you, and hopefully you'll be able to get it for yourself, but if not, at least you'll get that 20% off coupon, and then you'll be good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.